Hello. Recently, a new manufacturer has appeared in our operation, and it is VDIAGTOOL, among others. Paint thickness gauges, which we want to say a few words about today. There are 3 paint thickness gauges available: VC100, VC200, and VC300, which differ primarily in their screens. The first model has a digital screen, as does the second. The third model features a color screen with data-saving functionality. A significant difference in these gauges is that the first gauge operates on replaceable button batteries. The other 2 gauges have rechargeable batteries that are charged via a USB cable. An important piece of information about all 3 gauges is that they can measure both steel and aluminum surfaces. Additionally, the VC100 gauge has only a single measurement function, while the VC200 and VC300 gauges offer continuous measurement, making it easier to check a larger area where we want to find a difference. The new gauges require calibration, therefore a calibration kit is included with the gauge, which will be used to calibrate the gauge for magnetic and non-magnetic surfaces. The set also includes a manual that will guide you step by step on how to carry out such calibration. Before starting to work with the gauge on a vehicle, it is advisable to familiarize yourself with the guides on which surfaces to measure and how to interpret the results to avoid making mistakes.